Hello everybody, I'm Chef Mika. Today I would like to share with you how I make my chawanmushi. Look at that! We have meticulous mushroom, cordyceps, shiitake, foie gras, embark pork and foie gras dashi broth, crumble broth, yuzu juice, cheese olive, mitsuba, nameko mushroom, carrot, black peppermint mushroom, shiitake mushroom, mitake mushroom, dashi broth, snow crab, sirochin, salmon roe, eggs, mirin, sake, soy sauce, sugar, cornstarch. So we start to put the foie gras in cubes on a plate, and we add a little bit of cornstarch, and we mix it all together. Have you seen? There is nothing difficult. And we put a frying pan to heat, and we could put the foie gras in the pan. We didn't need to add any oil because the foie gras is very fatty, and we can also add the cordyceps. We don't need to add the oil because we use the fat from the foie gras. We do not mix the foie gras with the cordyceps. We did as I did. We split the pan in two, and we spill the fat from the foie gras on the cordyceps. Now the cubes of foie gras are golden brown. We can set them aside. You can use a spoon like me. Have you seen how easy is it? And we continue to cook the cordyceps until it gets crispy like here. And in the bowl we crack an egg, and we put the crumble broth, just 2 times the weight of the egg. In this episode I don't share how crumble broth is made, but you could go back to the crumble broth episode, and we mix it all together. And most importantly, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Gourmet Sharing. Thank you. And we add the soy sauce, Japanese sake, mirin, and we mix it all together again. We strain the egg mixture, throw on colander, because sometimes egg white are not well mixed. This is to give a better texture. So here we add the nameko mushroom, carrot, metake mushroom and black peppermint mushroom. We can put the egg mixture in the cup. Each time I make the chawanmushi, I put 2 to 3 layers of the eggs mixture. Haven't you noticed? It was super easy to do that. So that is my vegetarian chawanmushi. So in a new bowl or in the same bowl, we will crack one of our egg, and we can add the dashi broth. That's 2 times the weight of the egg. I don't share in this episode how to make dashi broth. You could go back to dashi broth episode. And we were doing the same as before. We can add the Japanese sake, mirin and soy sauce, and we mix it all together. And we take a colander to strain the egg mixture. Do you remember why we need to strain the egg mixture? Leave me your answer in the comment. And in another cup, we can add the shiitake mushroom and carrot. And we add 2 to 3 layers of egg mixture. And most importantly, don't forget to give me a like. Thank you. So this is my second chawanmushi with sirochin, snow crab and salmon roe. Now is the turn of the third chawanmushi. We are doing the same things we did earlier. We are breaking an egg, and we add the iberico pork and foie gras dashi broth. In this episode I don't share how we make the iberico pork and foie gras dashi broth. You can go back to the previous episode. And we add sake, mirin and soy sauce. And we can mix it all together. And we are doing what we did earlier. We are going to take a colander and strain the egg mixture. We can put the shiitake in the cup and add the maitake mushroom. We do the same as before. We add 2 to 3 ladles of the egg mixture. So here is my 3 different chawanmushi. So here we add mitsuba, Japanese coriander. So over each cup we cover with aluminum foil. In fact, why do we put aluminum foil? This is to prevent droplets of steam from falling on the chawanmushi. And now we can let them steam like this. There, the fire is the maximum before I put the chawanmushi on. When it is put on, I close it and then we will lower the head to a maximum like this. And cooks for about 7 minutes. If you don't turn down the heat when cooking, the chawanmushi will be overcooked. That is why we are turning the heat down. And then we make the sauce for the chawanmushi. Here we add the Japanese sake marine and let it flambe to let the alcohol evaporate. And then we can add the sugar. And we can add the kombu broth. And soy sauce. When this has boiled, we can add the cornstarch mixed with water on the sauce. Once you have added the cornstarch mixed water into the sauce, continue to stir well so that the sauce is bound. Like here, it looks nice, creamy and layery. And now we open the chawanmushi like here, one by one. You have seen how easy is it? Here nothing hard about my recipe. And here it is my 3 chawanmushi once cooked. And here we can add the sauce. Why covering the chawanmushi? Except for the vegetarian, because we are going to add the yuzu juice. Like this, by adding 1 or 2 scoops of yuzu juice. Mix the sauce well with the yuzu juice. And now we can cover the vegetarian with the yuzu sauce. And there we can add the sea urchin. Salmon roll. And the snow crab. So that is my chawanmushi with snow crab, sea urchin and salmon roll. And there the chawanmushi with foie gras and cordyceps. We start cutting the Caesar leaf in 2. And we can add the cordyceps like this. And the foie gras, of course. And now we are done with plating the chawanmushi. We can add the fleur de sel. And we are coming to the end of the video. Peace!